Hi guys, this is Christopher Rubio. I'm a real estate broker here in Los Angeles and Orange County. We have some great news. We just sold this property for top dollar here on Cabrillo in the city of Norwalk. And today I'm here with some very, very special guests. Do you want to go and introduce yourself?
My name is Paula Gallegos. I am trustee for the family trust. I am representing my family my father who owns this house.
And I'm Diana Limone. I am from Butterfly Staging, and I am the stager here for this property.
So Paula, how do you and the family feel about just selling in general? What is this process to be a trustee and all the different things that you have to encounter on top of selling the home?
Okay. My father bought this house in 1954. He lived in his house until his passing. So he was in this house for 69 years. So it is a bittersweet selling the home. It's emotional for all of us, just knowing that we have to do this. But I just hoping that it goes to somebody who will treat this home the way we would have treated it if we would have kept it.
So in terms of the process, Paula, was there any part of this process that gave you anxiety or just had some concerns about, or how are you feeling about that process maybe from A to Z?
No concerns. The process, you did a fantastic job.
Thank you.
I just trusted your instinct. You told us, you make suggestions. We followed those suggestions that you made, and you just made it go very smoothly.
Thank you.
It went fantastic. We were all very, very satisfied with the way everything went, and a very fast process. I mean, I felt bad for you because you were so busy, very busy the weekend of the open house. But it just went very smoothly, and it was great.
So one of the game plans when I talked with Diana was, is there certain ways that we can kind of make it a little bit more modern, but still know it's a fixer-upper, right? So Diana, you want to talk a little bit about where you came into the picture and, some things that you saw in the process?
Yes, so I was called to do this, and I came in on the day before open house.
Short notice, sorry.
Yeah, but I work good under pressure. So we came in and walked through, Paula and her family walked through the home and gave me a tour. And so I wanted to respect that part of their home that they had for many years. So I just made updates to existing, putting things on walls, making things look comfortable, dressing up a table, just making it look like when someone walked in here, they wanted to be here, to say, I really like this. I could see myself sitting here in the backyard or sitting here at the kitchen table and looking out. It's a great property, so I just made it more accepting to the eye.
What was really great, though, I think, about this process, Diana, like you said, is that we wanted everybody's input, right? So, Paul, what do you think about it, right? The different family members. Diana, what do you think about it? Tommy, what do you think about it? And I think that's one of the things that really sets us apart from a lot of different companies. We want to involve everybody in that process. I have a lot of great ideas and recommendations, and the plan will go well. But I think I don't have all the answers, and that sometimes somebody has a great idea. We have to take those and run with it. And so, Dan, I think you did a fantastic job. The open house actually yielded over 500 people. It was crazy. Paula, I think you said that you could tell how many people here because of
the floor. Yeah, the kitchen floor was just trapped. It was trapped, and I actually came by. My husband and I decided, let's drive by there. Oh my God, this was worse than the 5 freeway at 5 o'clock at night. The street was just bumper to bumper. Cars making U-turns in the middle of the street. It was just driving by here I think it was like at 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It was just a madhouse. And I really felt for you, Christopher. And Diana, the job for the staging was just fantastic. Such short notice. And you did it so quick. You came in at 8 o'clock in the morning, and it was done within like 3 hours, 4 hours. Actually, less than 4 hours. And it was just fantastic. I was really, really amazed.
Yeah, so a lot of great teamwork. And so we had about 60 offers. I mean, even just taking the time to put all those offers in our Dropbox so you can look at them was a challenge within itself. But we had to have 2 easy ups in the front. There was just lines of people just going, to the next neighbor's house. We had to put cones so people could park in front of the house, like a valet service. I mean, it was no joke, guys. So we're very, very happy with the results. We listed at 550. We ended up getting 695. Thank God. Way above our goal and target, and we're just super excited about that. And those are some of the strategies we use with our marketing to kind of get that result. And what we did is kind of create that bidding war, and it works very, very well for us. But I also feel like a lot of buyers, this is a house you have to come see it, right? Like, yes, the photos, they'll do you a good job. Like, don't get that wrong, but this is a house I know you needed to see. You have to see this backyard, right? You have to really experience coming here, and the location is perfect because it's very central here in Norwalk to get, anywhere through LA. If you want to get to Orange County, right, we're right off the 5, the 605 to get to Long Beach, or, get to Pasadena, train stations, everything. So just a fantastic area, but we know that buyers out there can't see every single home that's listed. They only have enough time on one day to see maybe about 5 of them. And we're so grateful that they came to this one, and that goes to our staging, our photography, our marketing, our advertising, right? And pulling all those buyers, and we hit it that first weekend, right? That's all we said, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, maybe Tuesday a couple, people are screaming to kick in the door to come see the property. But I think we did a fantastic job.
Yes, you did a fantastic job. You both did. Our family is very, very, very happy with just the way the process. It was just fantastic and quick, very quick.
So, Paula, would you recommend this to all your friends and family?
Oh, definitely. You are going to be both are going to be recommended by anybody that we know that wants to do the process of selling a home.
Oh, thank you so much. Thanks, Diana.
Thank you.